Guys, Kathy here, and we're going to do something a little different, something for our pets today. Whether it's the middle of an ice cold winter or the blaring heat of summer, your pet's paws can become dry and cracked and damaged. So today we're going to make just a simple, basic, all natural Paw Balm. And I'm going to give you the recipe. So grab a pen and paper and you can write this down. For mine, I'm doing one tin. And what I've got here is I've got 1 ounce of olive oil. I've got 1 ounce of coconut oil. I have 1/2 ounce of shea butter. And this is a natural unrefined shea butter. And then I have 2 heaping tablespoons of the beeswax pastilles. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour all of these into the jar. And over medium heat, we are going to slowly melt them all together. Since we're slowly melting them all together, that will ensure that our shea butter does not become grainy. And it keeps a really nice texture in the balm. So we'll come back when we've got everything all melted together and we'll pour it into our containers. Okay, we're back and you can see all of our oils and butter and beeswax are almost completely melted down here. I forgot to mention one other thing that I add, and you don't have to if you don't want to, but I always add a little bit even to my lotions or my own skin treatments. I put in 10 drops of rosehip oil. You could use vitamin E as well if you'd like. Another thing that I don't add that you may or may not, and do your research on this, ask your veterinarian about essential oils. Some people use like a lavender or tea tree. I prefer not to. It's just my choice. I figure my dogs are still going to probably be licking on their paws, and I don't want anything in there that just, it might do them harm, it might not. But that's just my personal choice, is to leave the essential oils out of there. So, as you can see, we're all completely melted. So I'm going to take my spoon out, and I have my container right here. I've got one of these tin containers, and I like to put them in a bigger one just because if your dog's big or little, it works for both paws. You can just rub this around on their paw. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to kind of dry the bottom off over here, there. And we'll come over here and pour our balm into our container. Trying to carefully watch this. And you know what's great about this is this recipe you can also use on your lips. So I'm going to pour a little bit into a tin over here and use it as a lip balm. We'll pour the rest back over here. So it's totally natural. Provides a wonderful coating between and treatment between the shea butter and having that little bit of beeswax in there. So here we go, some for our 4-legged friends. And since there's no essential oils in here, you can also use this on your cat's paws if your cat likes to have its paws touched. And here's one for me and my chapped lips this winter, or even when we go to Hawaii coming up here. We're going to be going to Hawaii. I'll probably take that with me and put some on before I head into the salt water. And so you'll let this sit out on your counter and it'll start hardening up. It won't take too long. And in the end, this is the beautiful Paw Balm that you're going to get. I made 2 of these. I only filled them halfway this morning. But I'm going to give one to a friend. So anyway, that's it. Very simple. Again, the recipe was 1 ounce of olive oil, 1 ounce of coconut oil, 1/2 ounce of shea butter, 2 big heaping tablespoons of the beeswax pastilles, and then I put in 10 drops of rosehip oil. So very natural, very easy to do. And if you have a couple of nice little containers like this, it's perfect. Even makes a great gift for the dog lover in your life. So thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate it. And treat your pet's paws kindly. And we'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.